Hello guys, this is Mark from Always Soul 123. It's almost end of the day. People called me many times, said, Mark, you have this diesel Porsche Cayenne. We cannot hear it, it wasn't running. Yes, it wasn't. I guess on the video for some reason I didn't start the car. I know it's a little, it's been parked, it's not cleaned up, but we're gonna do raw video like that for you guys to show you how vehicle is running. Okay, and we'll drive around for you, no problem. Okay, you asked for door panels again. Here's your door panels. That's your dashboard, that's your seats, headliner, that's another seat, wear and tear here. Don't forget, it's the same car that you've seen on the video and on the pictures before. All right, you got rear headliner, seats. All right, okay, so we got 114,033 watt miles, cold air conditioner. I'm kind of, it's 50-60 degrees today, so we're gonna shut this off. Okay, so let's go drive around a little bit. Well, let's open the hood first. Okay. Let's open the hood. Sorry, man. This car is, we didn't wash it. End of the day, our customer asked for the vehicle running. Here you go. Vehicle is running and beautiful. We serviced it. We did the flanges. We replaced all the gaskets for the coolant. The ones that below. Intake manifold, we all do that on 3.0s. Every time they leak, we all know that problem. We have it done already, and it's ready to go, guys. It sounds very good to me. I love it. It sounds very good. Let's drive it. Open up the windows so you can hear it. Oh, I see it. I see you. Oh, sounds nice. I love diesel sound. I can understand why people like these cars. They're nice. That's your U-turn. Park it back, go over the car again. That's my 3.0 diesel also. That's what I drive, the Audi. Okay, so we got a 13 diesel, same Porsche that you've seen on the other video. It's just an update for the same car, just to make sure you can hear it running, driving, whatever. We're gonna shut this off. It only comes with one key. We're gonna start the car. It is beautiful. Okay, it is beautiful. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. All right, thank you so much. God bless and have a great life, or maybe day, or maybe night. I can say a great day because it's already 5 p.m. so it's almost evening. Okay guys, have a great evening. Been talking too much. That's a lot of espressos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.